How to order checks on your USAA Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can order checks on your USAA Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the USAA mobile banking application, and once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now once you've logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where first of all, you'll have to select your account. Now once you've done that, you can see 6 different options. Tap on the first one, which is My Account. Now, there on the top side of the screen, you can see 3 different options. You can either set up overdraft protection, order checks, or stop payments. Simply tap on the second one, which is order checks. Now, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to first of all select your account and then tap on the option next. Now, you will be taken to this page where it'll say redirecting to Harlan Clark website. So all you have to do is simply tap on the option continue, and then you will be redirected to this page where in order to order a check, you'll have to tap on the option quick order, and then you will be able to order checks from there. So that is basically how you order checks on your USAA Bank. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.